Hi, in this video I'll make pattern again using geometric symbols pattern creator. So let's start, and I will use this shape, copy and then paste and rotate using press shift and then rotate like this, and then I will fill it with color, I think this one, and stroke white, and then size to 400, okay, like this, and then size the stroke I think 14, okay, and then click MP Force. Okay, now we have a beautiful pattern like this, very fast, very easy, and it is save your time. Okay, if you want to get this action, you can get it at the link in the description. See you in the next video.